Hello everyone. To all math students, you know that you are going to take paper-based exam for the mathematics subject, which means that the exam will be presented in a Google form, but you are not going to key in your answers in the Google form. Instead, you are going to write your answers in an answer sheet, and then you are going to take some beautiful pictures, clear pictures of course, and ultimately you will upload your answers to the Google form. The math department has prepared for you a template that will be sent to you 3 days or 2 days ahead of the exam, which means that you will print it out first and remember to read the instructions mentioned properly and prepare yourself for the exam. Let me start talking now about the CAM scanner, which is an application that you need to download it from the App Store. You will use it to capture the answer sheets, and then it will convert the pictures that you have taken into a PDF file. After that, you can send the PDF file to your IMAS email. Now let's go in detail. First, you have to know that a perfect position is the best way to make the teacher happy, which means that happy in marking, and also you will get a good mark. And as you can see here, while taking the pictures, choose the magic color because it makes the presentation of the answer or of the picture clear. And now I'm taking the pictures in order, of course, one by one. And if you are downloading the latest update of the CAM scanner, you will be able to take several pictures at the same time. After you take the pictures, you will be able to view them in that way or in that form. And then you will start to adjust the frame of the paper, the edges of the paper. Now remember that all the required parts of the paper should be within the frame. And now adjusting. And applying the presentation mode, you can see that the pictures are clear, and I will just make a double check on the pattern, on the name, and the clarity of the picture. The following step is to convert them into a PDF file, which means that it will directly combine, the application will directly combine all the pictures in one PDF file. And you are almost done. You will just click on share and the application will directly take you to the mail, and then you will just write your IMAS email and then you will just click on send. Ultimately, you will go to your mail and download the PDF file to your device, and after that you will just upload it to the Google form.
If you reached this far in the video, you are awesome. Many of the students wonder about the relationship between me and Haitham. Some say we are cousins, some say we are brothers. They even argued and had a bet about it. However, our relationship exceeds far beyond the blood relationship. I have known Haitham through primary and secondary school, university, and work, for a total of 20 plus years and counting, which is older than your current lifetime as an IMAS student. The point here is to choose your friends wisely. Eventually, you will graduate and IMAS will be your childhood's memory. However, one or a couple of your current friends might be your life journey companion. P.S. After this bit, I lifted his leg, he fell and chased me.